Today I am going to take the period of 6th standard maths basic concept of geometry. These four pointers, that is, first one is plane, second one is parallel lines, third one is intersecting lines, and the fourth one is concurrent lines. Four pointers. For this plane, first of all, we are going to observe this picture. What is this? This is table. And what about this second picture? This is blackboard. And third one is LPG cylinder. What is the table? What is the shape of this table? The upper part of this table is flat surface. Also, if we are observing keenly, this blackboard also having a flat surface. But what about this LPG? LPG का shape क्या होता है? Cylindrical. Okay, means these two shapes having the flat surface, and but this LPG is in cylindrical shape. So the surfaces in the first two pictures are flat. ये जो दोनों pictures है वो flat है. Each flat surface is a part of infinite surface. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. मैथ्स की लैंग्वेज में ही इसे क्या बोला जाता है? प्लेन सरफेस. ओके, नाउ we are going to see the next image of this plane, that is, the name of the plane in the picture is H. Okay, even though we draw a suitably small figure in the plane, it actually extends infinitely in all sides. Okay, arrows are drawn to show. This is first arrow, this is second, this is third one, this is fourth one. Okay, show that the plane extends infinitely in all directions. However, these arrows are often omitted for the sake of convenience. In the sense, we can extend this plane from all the four sides. हम चाहे तो इसे चारों साइड से हम इसको extend कर सकते हैं. This is only the main characteristic of this plane surface कि हम इसे चारों साइड से from all the four sides we can extend this plane surface. Understood? What is the meaning of plane? Each flat surface is a part of infinite surface. मतलब जो flat surface होता है उसे हम infinite time तक extend कर सकते हैं. And in mathematics language, a flat surface is called a plane. Okay. Now we will lines. What is the meaning of parallel lines? What is the definition of parallel lines? Okay. Look at this page from a notebook. ये एक notebook का page है. Is this pages a part of a plane? क्या ये plane का कोई part है? ये जो page दिख रहा है हमें. If we extend the lines that run sideways on the pages, will they meet each other somewhere? अगर हम इसके सारे lines को इस तरीके से extend करते जाएं, तो क्या ये लाइंस कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ मिलेंगी? नो, वो कभी मिलेंगी ही नहीं. ओके, दिस इज द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस, दैट कि जो जितनी भी लाइंस है चाहे हम वो कितने भी एक्सटेंड करते जाएं, बट वो कभी भी मिलेंगी नहीं. दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू never going to meet with each other. Okay, now we are going to see the definition of parallel lines. The lines which lie the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. Understood? Not intersect means what? What is the meaning of not intersect? इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स कट करना एंड नॉट इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स कभी भी कट नहीं करना. ओके कि मीन्स जो भी सेम प्लेन पर कोई ऐसी लाइन है, दो ऐसी लाइंस है जो एक साथ आगे बढ़ रही हैं बट दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट अ सिंगल पॉइंट, तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? पैरेलल लाइंस बोलते हैं. नाउ सी हियर, two lines are there. This is A, this is B. Two lines are here, but they are going to extend in a single path. अगर हम इसको यहाँ पे extend करते जाएं तो ये कभी भी लेकिन एक दूसरे के साथ मिलेंगी नहीं, वो बस आगे ही बढ़ती जाएंगी. Similarly, if we are observe these two lines also means AB and CD, ये भी same way में ही इनका extension हो सकता है. We can extend this line from the both the side means from here also and from here also, but ये कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ मिलेंगी नहीं and they are not going to intersect to each other at a single point. Understood? If we are observing a third picture, this is what is this? This is a railway tracks. अगर हम observe करें अपने जो railway tracks होती हैं, जो ट्रैक होते हैं उसके दोनों साइड के जो कॉर्नर्स होते हैं वो एक साथ स्ट्रेट होके सीधी बढ़ती जाती हैं बट वो कभी एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती. So what is the meaning of parallel lines? The lines which lie the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. Okay, तो ये क्लियर हो गया होगा कि what is the meaning of parallel lines. ऐसे दो लाइंस जो सेम प्लेन पर हैं but they are not going to intersect to each other, this is called as the parallel line. What is the meaning of intersecting? When two or more lines cross each other in a plane, they are called intersecting lines. Means ऐसे दो lines हैं जो एक दूसरे को कट करते हैं सिंगल पॉइंट पर. This is called as the intersecting line. Two lines that intersect at point E. ये जो दो lines हैं ये point E पे कट कर रहे हैं. So these lines are called as the intersecting lines. Okay. Now see the next example, that is this is line L N sorry and this is M N M. Line N and line M both are intersect at point A here. Okay, so we can say that the line N and line M are intersecting at point A. Similarly, we can say that QP intersect QR. दो लाइंस जो एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे कट करें, दैट आर एक क्रॉस करें दूसरे को, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. ओके, नाउ वी विल गोइंग. What is the meaning of concurrent line? A set of lines or curves are said to be concurrent if they all intersect at the same point. In the figure below, here the three lines are concurrent because they all intersect at a single point P. The point P is called the point of concurrency. All non-parallel lines are concurrent. कि जब दो लाइन से ज़्यादा लाइन एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे कट करती है, this is called as concurrent line. Sorry, concurrent line. And all the lines were to intersect at a single point and that point we called as the point of concurrency. यहाँ पर this is L, this is M and this is N. This all three lines are intersecting at a single point, that is P. Okay, so this line L, M, N are concurrent lines और वो जिस point पे cut कर रहे हैं, this is called as the point of concurrency. जिस point पे cut कर रहे हैं, that is called as point of concurrency. Understood?